Hey, it's been a long time since I've shot a video, but I wanted to do an update. I've been telling myself for months to do this. I just wanted to give the follow-up to the Citadel upside down painting holder system that I came up with in January. So that was 5 months ago. Anyway, so these paints have been, actually they've been upside down for I think a good year or maybe longer, some of them. Because before I made this, they were in egg cartons upside down. This is what I made. Just water bottle caps from my work, where I get free water. It's one of the many perks, in addition to minimum wage, that I get. Just cut this 1x2 into such and such length and at such and such measurement. I glued these caps on with hot glue. It takes me about 5 minutes per rail here, times 6 paints, and there it is. The thing that I really love about this is that I can actually see all my paints at a glance upside down better than the way that they're stacked by default with this design from Citadel. You can't see through the caps normally. Not really. I mean, you kind of can, but I like this way better. Hey, I think it looks nice. I want to make a some kind of carrying thing where I can stack them on top of each other and then be able to carry it to game night or hobby night. Oh yeah, what's in here? Oh, Warhammer Champions. By the way, this is paper towel. The paper towel that slices in half sizes fits perfectly inside of these Sterilite bins, and I like to put them in the bottom just because for storing minis on the rack, it keeps them from at least like sliding around. So it's not great for moving them from a place to place, but for inside your home, yeah, it's just like an anti-slip mat for your minis. Cheers.